another day in Germany. So we woke up today, had a little breakfast at the cafe across the street. We actually got vouchers from our Airbnb, so it was free. So that was really nice. We just got some coffee and chocolate croissants. And we left Munich, and now we are on our way to Herrsching Ammersee, which is this little town right on the lake Ammersee. And we're hoping it's scenic. Our original plan was to go to Rottenburg, which there's more than one in Germany, and the scenic one we wanted to go to is like 3 hours away, and we thought it was like an hour and a half away, but that's a different one. That's more of just like a suburb and didn't look that exciting. So we changed our plans a bit, but hopefully it's a scenic drive and we get to go through the countryside a little bit, and then maybe take a scenic way back. It looks like the weather's holding up for now, but yeah, that's the plan for today. So this is Ammersee. It's a nice little lake with some sailboats, with some mommy and me yoga over there. And we're just sitting right now in the car and enjoying it. We'll get out and walk around a little bit, but we're kind of just enjoying the view from the car in this empty parking lot. Grocery store snack. Just some of the essentials. Nice little view. So we're just seated at our little spot in the car overlooking, oh no, I just dropped my cheese, overlooking the park. We see a man in a swimsuit get into the water, and it's like 40 degrees outside, and he's swimming pretty fast. I can see him right now. I just like can't believe this. I do think Germans are built different, because I'm cold in a jacket, sweater, and long sleeve shirt, and this man's swimming just for fun. At first I thought he dropped something. He's just swimming for fun. I don't know what's going on. We left Ammersee and we're taking kind of the long, more scenic route back to Munich. Maybe we'll stop along the way if there's something beautiful to see, but as far as just kind of like wooded little town roads through small towns, but it is very cute.